How to use the credit balance on Temu app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily use your credit balance for your purchase on the Temu app. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Temu app and make sure that you are logged in. And once you are logged in, you should land on your homepage like this. And on the bottom side, you'll have your nav bar where you have categories, 5-day delivery, your cart, and then you. You just have to tap on the you section right here. And then you just have to make sure that you are logged into your account. So here you have different options like reviews, history, win rewards, address, and following. You just want to tap on credits and rewards. And right here on top, you'll be able to see your credit balance. And if you have certain amount of balance, you can spend those on these kind of products right here. You can browse through them. And if you want to purchase something, for example, let's just scroll down and find something to purchase, something like this. What you can do is add now, and then once you do that, you can go to cart. And whenever you check out, your credit balance will deduct the certain amount for your discount, and your credit balance will be used that way. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.